In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Salesforce. It's a quick and easy process that should take no more than a few minutes. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a refresher, this guide will help you log in effortlessly. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to open up your preferred internet browser. This could be any browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Simply navigate to the browser you are most comfortable with and open a new window or tab to get started. This will allow us to access the Salesforce website where you'll perform your login. Next, in the address bar at the top of your browser, type in the URL for Salesforce, which is salesforce.com, and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. You will be taken to the Salesforce homepage. Sometimes, depending on your previous activity, you might land directly on the login page. If not, look for the Login option, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you directly to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Once you are on the login page, you'll see a couple of fields designated for your login credentials. Let's start by entering your Salesforce username. Your username is typically an email address or something unique provided to you by your Salesforce administrator. Make sure to enter it carefully to avoid any typos, as this can be a common issue that prevents successful login. Following your username, the next step is to enter your Salesforce password in the password field. Your password should be secure, combining letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure your account's security. Again, it's important to enter this information accurately. Keep in mind, passwords are case sensitive, so double check your caps lock key to make sure it's behaving as expected. In the login process, you might notice an option labeled Remember Me. By checking this box, you can skip the two-factor authentication step during future logins on this device. It's a small convenience that can save time in the long run, especially if this is your personal or work computer that is secure and trusted. However, if you're using a shared device, you might want to leave it unchecked for your security. Finally, with your credentials all set, and if you have chosen to use the Remember Me option, simply click the Login button. This is usually located below the fields where you entered your username and password. Clicking Login will start the authentication process, and if everything's entered correctly, you'll be taken to your Salesforce dashboard. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into Salesforce. Feel free to explore the features, check your dashboards, or get started with your tasks for the day. If you encounter any login issues, double-check all the entered information for errors, and, if needed, contact your Salesforce administrator for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy Salesforce navigating.